So when you visit the link, so when you visit the link, you get this. So you can come here and copy all the content of this HTML box, highlight, Ctrl C, then go inside your text editor. So when you go inside your text editor, you paste it there, then you save. So when you are saving, you save with any name, but you use .html as file extension. So I'm going to save my own as Sodiq, but I'm going to use .html as my file extension. I'm going to save. So I'm going to save inside my htdocs here, and so when I save, I can go and access, or after you might have saved, go and access what you've saved there, and right click and open with your Chrome browser. So when you open with your Chrome browser, you get this, and you can see that it has bring out the result that we want. So now I'm also going to give you an assignment, and the assignment will be done using. Okay, so for your assignment, this is what you do. This is the answer that we want to log out. We want to display this answer. So I want you to access this span with full name div, with an ID of full name div. I want you to access it, and I want you to set the inner HTML of this span tag. I want you to set the inner HTML to the answer that we have here. So you use document.getElement by ID to access this span tag with an ID of full name div, and you set the inner HTML of that element to answer. So you just write is equal to answer, the answer which we have here. So don't worry, just write answer. So then I also want you to, apart from accessing the inner HTML, I also want you to use console.log. I also want you to use console.log to log out the answer in the browser console, and I also want you to use alert to also display the answer in the alert box. So if you're able to do it, then please, and if you have any problem, you can just let me know on the WhatsApp group. And also the link, this is the link for the assignment. So you just come here, copy, paste, write your code inside your HTML text editor, save and run, so that you can see if you are able to, your code is successful in the browser. So now for those of us that we don't have any knowledge of HTML, you can always, instead of writing an HTML file, you can go to this website, and that website is js.do. So in that website you have an HTML, you have what you can do here. So you can write your script tag here without any HTML. So let's assume I want to write alert I. Note, if you want to write a string, this is a string, this is just a word. So I want to write alert I. So I can save and I can run my code, and you see that it has worked, it has run. Also, let's see, I want to write console.log. Can also write console.log here, 5 plus 6. So let me save and let me run my code. Save and run my code. It's like the network is not doing well. Okay, I can't save my code because I have not registered. So let me just run my code. So once you run your code, you should be able to see 11 here. So you can use this website if you don't have any knowledge of HTML before to run your JavaScript code. Thank you. So you can also use document.write. You can see that it has shown the result here. So that's important.